subject. So you see, multidisciplinary, you have to take many different areas into consideration. You know, a fascinating phenomenon outside the realm of scientific inquiry is the whole mind branch of philosophy that deals with mind and matter, substance and attributes. So multidisciplinary, you have to take psychopathology, pathology, parapsychology, philosophy, cognitive neuroscience, metaphysics, phenomenology, and a few other different areas. So 2 areas we've established so far. My website is based on cross-disciplinary and multidisciplinary. Transdisciplinary now is where 2 mutually exclusive domains sort of converge, or just like a symbiosis or just a consolidation. And that primarily is, let's look at, when you look at the top 5 search engine, right? Search engine algorithm is contingent on linguistic models, right? It uses linguistic models. Every facet of the subfield or subset of linguistic moderator, it affects the endocrine system. So when you get into a number of different psychopathological disorders, right, you have to take a multidisciplinary approach because many areas have to be taken into consideration, primarily metaphysics and phenomenology, the structure of consciousness and the human experience, how some psychopathological illnesses, right, how sensory perception or sensory modality, auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, and our linguistics. And I'll say